This video introduces the procedure used to run ipmctl commands to monitor DCPMM status. ipmctl is a command line interface utility for configuring and managing DCPMMs. Users can run ipmctl commands through a command prompt, PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell with administrator privileges. Type ipmctl help. The ipmctl usage and commands will be displayed. The commands will be displayed with command descriptions, and the usage information will be displayed below that. Enter the show firmware command to check DIMM firmware versions. It is recommended that all the installed DIMMs are updated to the same firmware level. Enter the show DIMM command to check DCPMM hardware health status. The DIMM ID, capacity, health state, action required, lock status, and firmware version will be displayed. You can also enter the show sensor command to get more detailed information. The temperature, percentage remaining, power on time, power cycles, and firmware error count time will also be displayed. If the health state is unhealthy, you can enter the show topology command to identify the device locator through the DIMM ID. For example, the DIMM ID 0x0011 is DIMM 9.